Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in the It's Always Halloween collaboration hosted by my good friends Dawn from Shabby Meets Bling and Monica from Up All Night DIY. So what I'm doing here today is making 3 vintage looking moon faces using some rounds that you can get from like Walmart or the craft store or even from Dollar Tree. Now this one is from Dollar Tree and I love the shape of it, and it's kind of cute the way it is, but I'm going to be painting this. I'm going to go ahead and take off that pumpkin, and I can use it for something later. I'm just going to be painting them with white paint. You can use any kind of paint you want. Just going to do a couple coats here. Okay, so I have this moon face that I printed off the internet, and I do have some carbon paper behind it. Just taking my retractable pencil here, and I'm going to draw on the design. Now that that is done, I'm going to pull this off. And I know you might not be able to see it on here, but I can see it myself. It's kind of hard to see on here. So I'm just going to take some black, and I'm going to be painting all the details. Now that I have everything painted on, I'm going to take some Hippo Gray here, and I'm going to take a damp piece of paper towel. I'm going to dip it into the paint, and I am just going to go all around the edges, like so. Just want to give it a few highlights here. And there we go. I think this looks so cute. Now for the next moon face, I am taking this one from the Dollar Tree, and I am actually going to be using the pumpkin, but you can take the pumpkin off. I thought about doing that first, but I changed my mind. We are just going to do a moon face looking at a little pumpkin patch. And again, this is one that I got off the internet, just printed it off, and I put some carbon paper on here, and I need to trace over here to get my design. Alright, I have that done. This one you can see a little bit better maybe than the last one. It's hard to show it on camera. So again, I'm just taking my black paint and doing the moon face first. Now I'm going to take that same hippo gray and go around the moon just like I did the previous one. Now I want to draw on some pumpkins here to go with the one, because we're going to have a little pumpkin patch. Now I like to use the color terracotta for a few of the pumpkins. The other two pumpkins I'm going to paint with dark goldenrod. I'm also taking the dark goldenrod and painting on the pumpkin here, and I will be painting the stem a different color. Alright, so I'm actually going over this again with the dark goldenrod and making it wet and with the terracotta. So I'm going to take that dark goldenrod and make some highlights on the terracotta colored pumpkins. And I'll be doing the same using the terracotta over on the dark goldenrod pumpkins. All right, now that that's done, I did do the stems in black and I highlighted them with the hippo gray. I'm also going to make some little white highlights in the eyes of the moon. Messed up on that one just a little bit. Now for the last moon face, I'm going to go ahead and get it painted with a couple coats of the white. And this is another moon face that I printed off of the internet, again using the carbon paper. I'm going to trace this on. I find that using a pen works a little bit better than the pencil. I think you can see that so much better. Again, I'm going to be using black and just get all the details painted on the face. And I'm also taking that hippo gray and going to do some shading around the edges like I did on the other two moons. And I want to take some white paint and add some highlights to the eyes. I'm also going to take some more of the hippo gray and add a little bit more shading to the moon face. And the last thing I'm going to do is add some of this ticking ribbon just to hang it from here instead of using some jute or some string. It also look kind of cute if you put this ribbon as a bow tie on some of these moon faces. All right, let's see how I displayed all three of them together. All right, my sweet friends, that's going to do it for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please be sure to check out everybody's videos. I have the playlist link down below in my description box, along with Dawn and Monica's channel links. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.